Hey guys, it's Chantel. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight on Dining with Drew, we have BJ's Pizza. I have a kids meal and I have, I think they're called Happy Face potatoes, ranch on the side, and of course the Dr. Pepper. You guys, look how small this is. I'm trying to be careful here. This thing is so small compared to what it used to be. Look at that. Literally, my bread bowl is bigger. Don't want to mess it up. Anyways, I have barbecue sauce, green bell peppers, and black olives. And I already took a thumbnail. Let's get one of these. Let's try one of these potatoes. They're okay. Over the years, I stopped liking our french fries altogether. I used to, but not anymore. Let's see if I could. I can't believe how small this is. This is so crazy how everything's gotten so much smaller. At least it still tastes good. The kids' meal's now $9 exactly with tax in my area. You get your entree, one side, and a drink, but I didn't get the drink. Wow. It's just sad how everything's just going up, but you're getting less for your money. That's the worst part. We should be getting, like, if the prices go up, I don't think the amount of food we get should be less. The guy and I was saying that they might get raises, but of course the burgers are gonna go up too. So it's just a cycle. I don't even think this thing has 4 sides to it. Like, I didn't think you could do 4 pieces out of it. I'm almost out of ranch and I don't want to open my new one. I don't know, when it comes to my vegan stuff, I really don't like to open it until I'm ready to eat it. Wow. I'm watching another new film today. I can't remember the name of it. Human something. On Netflix. I was going to get a Pizookie. I was going to get a Pizookie. I would have if I would known it was this small. Look at all that grease. Oh, good thing you guys can't see that. Almost dropped the fry. And the box keeps moving. I've had beaters in a long time. My second meal all day. I waited so much to eat. I'm going to have some Cold Stone. I'm going to do one more. Try it. You're okay. Yeah. That was very interesting. Oh my gosh, that Dr. Pepper is so cold. All right, guys, this is quick and sweet. And let me get this out of the way. Okay, you guys, that was it for today's video. Short, quick, sweet, just eating really fast because I was hungry. And that food was not a lot at all. So I'll probably have some kind of dessert later. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Oh, you can see I've got some clothes hanging, dragging right here. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye. I'm holding the box. That's why I only have one hand. Bye.